What's up, pizza punks? It's Missy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I healed my newest tattoo, which is this little rose, completely using Saniderm. So you're going to see the full Saniderm healing process. Before we get into this though, I just want to mention I am showing my experience with Saniderm. I am showing you why I like it. I am not forcing you to use Saniderm. I'm not telling you that's the only way to do it. I'm not telling you that's the best way to heal your tattoos. This is just how I do it. Doesn't mean that you have to do it. Doesn't mean that I'm wrong. It's just a band-aid. I just made that other Saniderm video like showing you how to take it off, and so many people freaked the heck out because it was the wrong way to do it. So I just wanted to show people how it doesn't hurt your tattoo and how it makes it heal super fast. This is Saniderm. It just comes in a box like this. I ordered this off their website for around $20. I will put a link to their website in the description box so you guys can get some too. But yeah, this is just a big clear band-aid. So throughout this you will see the blood and the ink gathered up in the Saniderm. If you're squeamish or don't want to see something like that, I suggest not watching this video because it will be up close and personal with that. Hey guys, so it's been about 10 minutes since I just got my tattoo and the dude put the Saniderm on. So it's in a weird spot, so when I bend it kind of lifts it up, so I'm gonna probably put some more on here in a little bit. Here's the morning after I got my tattoo done. A lot of the ink and all the blood and stuff's collected all around it. I did put on a piece of my own Saniderm because the kind my artist put on was starting to peel off because he put it too close to the bend of my arm. But here's the morning of day one. This is the night of day one. I don't know if it filled up with any more blood or anything. It doesn't look any different than it did this morning. Here's the morning of day two. There's still just a lot of the free blood and ink floating around in there, keeping my tattoo hydrated. And for those of you thinking that this is dirty blood, it's not, because it hasn't touched air yet and nothing has touched it to make it dirty. So my Saniderm is starting to look a little gross with the fluid under there, and it's starting to go a little too close to the edge and I don't want it to leak out, so I'm gonna take it off and put a fresh piece on. This part might be a little too gross for some people, so I'll put like a little timestamp that you can jump to if you want to skip over seeing me take this off. So right here my arm is turning a little red while I'm peeling the band-aid off. That is just because I'm peeling something that was stuck to my skin off. So it's not harming the tattoo or anything. It's just irritating my skin. And that does go away after about 5 minutes when you're done washing your arm. So my fiance is going to put the Saniderm back on my arm for me. But first you always want to put some type of lotion on before you put it on, or it'll stick to your tattoo. Here's the morning of day 3 with the new Saniderm I put on last night. Doesn't look like it's weeping anymore, but I'm still gonna leave it on for at least 3 more days. I didn't film the past few days of the healing process because nothing changed. Today is actually day 6, so I'm gonna take this off today. My tattoo looks like it's starting to get a little bit dry under the Saniderm, and it's just time to take it off and start the rest of the healing process. Again, my arm might be turning a little red while I'm peeling this off, but that does not mean that I'm allergic or having any reactions. It's no different than whenever you peel a band-aid off your skin and it leaves a little red mark. So here it is after I took the Saniderm off. There's very minimal scabbing. It's just very light. It doesn't hurt. It's a little wrinkly looking right now because of the Saniderm. That's just because the bandage was over it and it was just holding my skin in that position for so long. So that was the whole process. As you could see in the last video, which I filmed this morning, it was not dry, it's not scabby or anything like that. So the Saniderm did help speed up my healing process. And it's not just because it's a smaller tattoo. I've used it on my bigger tattoos and I've had the same results within the same amount of time. And like I said in the beginning, I'm not forcing you to heal your tattoos this way. It's just a really convenient new way to heal your tattoos. I know a lot of people are still gonna get really mad about this video, but whatever. I put links everywhere so you could educate yourself. If that doesn't work, then I don't know what to tell you. I hope this somehow helps people out there learn a little bit about Saniderm, or just see how the whole healing process is and all that stuff, to show you that it doesn't hurt your tattoos and it actually helps them heal a little faster. If there is any questions you do have, just comment them down below and I'll be sure to reply to you as best as I can. A lot of things that I don't know entirely should be able to be answered on the Saniderm's website because they do have a whole FAQ page. So I would check that out too, just in case I don't know about it. Because I'm not a professional, I don't know absolutely everything about using Saniderm or tattoos or anything like that. That's why I do put the links like that so you can know even if I don't. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you out in some way, if you like tattoos or you just like the video. Comment down below if you've used Saniderm and if it's helped your tattoos in some way. And then if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can join our eternal pizza party where I upload videos like this every single week. Sometimes I upload more than once, so be sure to hit the little notification bell so you'll get notified every single time I upload a video. But that was that, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you in some way, and I hope you have a super duper fantastic day. Mwah.